We will guide you through how to use forms in Wrike. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch Google Chrome or any web browser of your choice, and make sure the browser is open and ready before continuing. Go to 𝗟𝗏.com and wait for the website to load completely before proceeding. Click the plus icon in the top right corner of the space to open the available creation options. Select Request to access the request and form features. Click Manage Forms to open the form management area and view the available forms. Click Plus Form to create a new form and begin configuring its settings. Configure the response settings according to your needs, for example, as shown in the video, making sure the form is prepared to collect the required information. If you want to create the form manually, click Add to add a question to the form. Select the appropriate question type based on the information you want respondents to provide. For this example, create the form using AI to generate the form structure automatically. Select a form category according to your needs so the generated form is relevant to the intended request or workflow. Customize the prompt if needed, or keep the default prompt if it already provides the information required for the form. Click Create Draft to generate the initial version of the form based on the selected category and prompt. You have now successfully created a form. Review the generated form and make any necessary adjustments, checking the questions, wording, response types, and overall structure. Once everything looks correct, click Publish to make the form available for use. To use the form, copy the form link and share it with the respondents or team members. If you want to preview the form, click Go to Form to open the form and view how it appears to respondents. You have now successfully used forms in Wrike.